All right, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Shakira here, Shakira, with the Grupo Frontera. They do Entre Paréntesis, all right? So this is a song with 4 different chords, and we're gonna look at them, and also a string pattern, that's it. So we're gonna start with the chords, because we don't have any capo here. We're gonna do bar chords only, almost. I'm gonna explain that soon. But anyway, we're gonna do it with mostly bars. So let's start here with the G sharp minor. All right, so you play a bar here on the 4th fret. You cross all the strings there. And then you need to add 6 on A and 6 on D. Okay, over to the next F sharp chord. So you have the bar now on the 2nd fret, all the strings there as well, and then you need to add 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. And now to the C sharp minor. You are back here at the bar 4th fret. You don't have to bar the last E string this time, so just the 5 strings below. And then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. And then we have the final chord, the E, okay? So the E comes right after the C sharp minor. And we have 2 different ways of choosing the E here, playing that. So what I would do, I think, or maybe just a mix of it, is to go with this E, all right? So what you do here from the C sharp minor is just to lift off your little pinky. You're using that one on the 6th fret G string and just place it up here, all right? That's the only difference here from the C sharp minor, is to go like this. And abracadabra, you have the E now, okay? So that will be placed the little pinky on the 7th fret A string. All right, so that is a very easy transition here from the C sharp minor over to E. But I understand it's a little bit perhaps too much for some to grip all this bar and then another 3 fingers like this, a little bit stretchy. I understand that. So if you don't want to do that, you can go to the standard E chord, all right? So it sounds very similar. You have just added extra higher notes to this one. Otherwise, it's the same E chord. So the E over here will be much easier, but you have to jump to this position. So that will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. So you go either way, or, all right? So it's up to you. I showed you that in the introduction of the tutorial. So otherwise, it's the same chord progression: G sharp minor, F sharp, C sharp minor, and E. So if we go to the first chord here, the G sharp minor, we're gonna learn the string pattern. So it goes down, down, up, clap, down. Okay, so down, down, up, clap, down. And a couple rounds of that strumming will be and so on. All right, so it's very, very easy, guys. You play 2 string rounds per chord in the chord progression. We just learned the G sharp, F sharp, C sharp, and E, and it goes. So good luck with Shakira's song, and play tuned.